In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make this cute little star. For this tutorial, we are going to start with a magic circle and chain 1. This will not be counted, but we'll just secure our magic ring in place. Once we have done that, we are going to put a single crochet into our magic ring. So we're going to insert our hook, pull through a loop, and then yarn over and pull through. Then we're going to put in double crochet. So we're going to yarn over, go into our loop, draw up a loop, and pull through 2. Yarn over and then pull through 2. Now we're going to chain 2 and then we're going to put a double crochet into the magic ring. This will form the first part of our star. So onto the next, we're going to go into our loop, draw up a loop, and pull through for our single crochet. Now we're going to put in a double crochet, so we're going to yarn over, go into our loop, draw up a loop, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. Now we're going to chain 2 and then put in another double crochet, so yarn over into your loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. That is going to form the second point of our star. So you can scoot your points along by just pushing them very carefully like so. We're going to make our third point. So we're going to go into our loop, draw up a loop for our single crochet. Then we're going to put in our double crochet, pull through 2 and pull through 2. We're now going to chain 2 and then we're going to put in another double crochet. That's now the third point of our star. We can scoot these along a little just by giving them a bit of a tug, so we can just pull this bit here along. So single crochet, double, pull through 2, pull through 2, chain 2, and then we're going to put in a double crochet. Oops. So we've now got 4 points to our star. A star has 5, so we're just doing our final one now. So just scoot these along a little. If you're running out of room, you can pull your tail and that will give you a little bit more space. So in, draw through, double crochet, pull through 2, pull through 2, chain 2, yarn over, and our final double crochet into that space. And then we have our 5 points. At this point now you can start to pull your tail to close the gap, and then we are just going to slip into our star, the first stitch. Keep the tail out the way, so I'll just hold mine in between my fingers, and then we're going to pull through. This might be a bit tricky. Leave yourself a bit of a tail, snip off, pull through. And now at this point you can then weave in your ends, and to make it look more like a star, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to give my points, I'm going to flatten them and give them a bit of a tug. If you've used yarn that has a bit of cotton in it, they should stick or stay in place, I should say, quite easily. Or you can use a blocking board and a little bit of steam, just leave them overnight just to take shape if you wish. Just give them a tug like so. So just for this tutorial, I'm not going to bother weaving in my ends. I am just going to snip off. Obviously, if you was wanting to keep this, just to show you. And there you have it. There's our cute little star.